Well, g'day there and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Today I'm going to be showing you the best way to fix up stone chips. Just a little marks that come often on the front of your car. You can get them all over sort of that facing edge, but showing you. And what we're going to need is some color match paint. They can be like in a little nail polish container. I'm going to show you how to do it using a pressure pack and, believe it or not, a match. Absolutely brilliant way of getting rid of those stone chips. Okay, so to prepare the match, we just chop the dangerous bit off and take note of where that goes, put it in the bin. And then what I'm going to do is actually make it thinner. So we're going to have a normal thickness end and one that is about half. So just get a knife and just shave that down. I'm going to make a fine point on there. Like that, that's exactly what you want. So one that's sharpened down and one that's normal. And I'll show you the next. Okay, so what we're going to do, get the lid of your pressure pack. And after you've given this a really, really good shake, spray some paint in so you get yourself a little puddle like that. And now with your match, you've got your sharpened edge for small bits and your bigger edge for larger bits. And you can just dip that in and come over and watch how well that works. If you see here, there's a stone chip right there. I'm going to use the smaller end on that, and I want not too much paint. And just get over it, and very accurate. Just give it a little touch. You don't want to put any paint down on the flat if you can help it. There's a big one here. So we're going to come down again. Just give it a touch. Just move that around. Another one there. And that is exactly how you do it using the match. There's another one here by the headlight again. Now the goal is you want to seal it. So you want to get all of the chip covered, and so it covers the edge a little bit, but you don't want heaps of paint over the edge. So the least paint that you lay down, see there it's dried out a bit, get a bit more from the lid. That's it. But the smallest, your success is in the smallest little bit, just like that. And look at the part. Now you can go bigger areas too. See the big area here where there's a chip. This is damaged, needs to be repaired. But I can show you. Just pretend for a sec that it wasn't damaged like that. I'll just get some more paint. I'll spray a little bit. It does tend to dry out pretty quick, so just freshen it up. Don't try and put too much in, but just try to freshen it up. So when you've got an edge like this, go for the thicker end of the match, and you can sort of run it along. Put it down like that and paint with it to run it along. And again, make sure you've got a good color match before you go and lay down too much paint. You don't want to go putting down heaps and heaps of the wrong color, because that'll stand out real bad. So there you go. See, that's the much bigger repair, but you can do that as well. So let's see if we can find another stone chip. Here we go, here's a couple. This is on a vertical surface. Again, I'm going to go for the smaller end and do the big one first, and then the little one second, just like that. Just give them a touch. And as it dries, that like is a bit big and bulby now, but as it dries, that'll draw right in. So there you go, pressure pack into the lid and a match. And it's really accurate and really good for doing up those stone chips. Once the paint's had 2 or 3 days to dry, it's good to finish it off by giving it a polish, either by hand or by machine, and she'll really look the part. Well done.